It's because I know I live my life and I know say I mother know say I love her. Yeah. Because if it come to I lose I life and she live, would have dead for she live, brother. Would have dead for she live, sisters. There is nothing too great where I could not give to my mother.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and your health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so take care of it. You see me? Right over there, vlog on the go, you don't know. Right now, I'm saying big up Shabba Ranks. Rest in peace to his mommy. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. But I have a different level of respect for Shabba Ranks. I know I'm loving mother, you know. Like a Bounty Killer love Miss Ivy, and some love Miss Magic, my mother, see? But the speech Shabba make at his mother's funeral, trust me, a different level. Big up Shabba Ranks. You see me as some viewers and subscribers, you don't know after the break, hear what Shabba say, then we can make on hear what I go.
Yeah, hear me?
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. Yeah, man, go and check out my single. I'm a changed man, you know. That's why me decide to stop fuck around, baby. Yes, out on all digital platforms right now. No more, I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well, left me, but you stuck around. Go and check it out. That's why me decide to stop fuck around. I gave you so much money and you never deserve it.
Without Jesus in your life. So you see today, all from my mother body, now I can know say if you don't know God, you don't get to know God. Because say the product of God, yeah, because my old lady raised me up in that manner. This woman here put on the gloves, the boxing gloves, and show I how to fight life. When I say, this woman here put on the gloves and show I how to strive and survive in a life. So when I don't hear Shabba say, boy, I'm loving mother. And I man work hard in a life to make sure say I'm mother alright. I see I only to work hard in a life to make I alright. Because me is a youth we're growing in the ghetto. But me don't know what ghetto life is. Because my mother makes sure so she work hard for her 7 children. And not only her 7 children, but everyone else's children. Because some you know my mother never yet cook a pot of food and her 7 people alone ate that. Everybody else come in and get a plate. And her favorite word to me is, give to all the people you can, as long as you can, however you can. Mama, she never know. No, she not rest in peace, you know, she stand up in her glory. Because God opened up the red carpet and said, welcome home. This is a woman who live her life in a joyful way. I don't know one day where I see an old lady have the farmer animosity against no one. You see me I deal with? It's a woman who show I love, empathy. It's a woman who show I say, listen to me. Let me go on drama. You want to say one time when I was like say 14, 15 years old and I struggled with this music and to make this music be something. There was prominent people within this music that tried to stop I. Everything I tried to do, they tried to stop I. It happened where we're supposed to go foreign and a man bounced me out and said, don't carry Shabba go foreign because he's going to run away. And I walk from Jammies, go straight to see if you is a long walk that. And it's taxi I take go to Jammies. And when I reach in my house, I look at my mother and I say to my mother, say, hear me no man, we done with music. I straight kill people and badness. And she say, what? Kill people and badness? Let me tell you something. No murder on in my generation. No blood murder for my generation. And to all me love you as a son, don't make me cry. You see, anywhere you did come from, and I talk about kill, go back there, go work harder. Because when God open up for your door, nobody can close it. And me sit down in front of her and she said, sit down here, sir. Cry if you want cry. Bawl if you want bawl. Holla if you want holla. But remember, say, it's only love of God can bring you through. Yeah, you know, woman? I thank you for everything that you have done for me. Everything that you have done for me, I thank you. And the reason why I don't cry over is because I know I live my life and I know say I mother know say I love her. Because if it comes to I lose I life for she live, would have dead for she live, brother. Would have dead for she live, sisters. There is nothing too great where I could not give to my mother. The only thing I could not give to her is the pearly gate open up so she can see Jesus' face. I love my wife. And the reason why I love my wife is because I love my mother first. My mother is my first girlfriend. So she teaches me how to love my wife. People, I love you. God bless you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. God bless. And especially the church people then. In the mighty name of Jesus, we love you. Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, so welcome back. Jano Star, you see it? Yo, Shabba Ranks make some speech relative to me, but we can relate. You see, my mother has 7 of them, my mother have. My mother have 7 of us. See, I was a wash belly until she have 2 more last one, 2 last boy. You see me? Big up tough and soft. You see me I say? But big up sister, Jackie, my brother love me. You see me I say, rest in peace, my sister Archie. You know what I mean? No, they're with me, watch over me. They are with me daily, you see me? And Desmond, big up yourself, brother Desmond. Men are bricks. You see me? No more viewers and subscribers. The Kings and Queen, my lioness. Shall I talk some things where I can relate? My mother alone, me grow come see. My mother got been through the struggles. Work hard. Wash people clothes. You see me? Sometimes I can't go to school. She bring me with her and people in the house. Now wash them, the whole dirty clothes. You see me? The rich people, they uptown. Zine, made them look at all of them places there. You see me? Patrick City, you went there. You see me? I say, Stone Hill, all of them places there. And that's how sometimes me get access to watch all satellite dish and them things there. You see me? Me go come see my mother, I go hard, work hard, hustle in the streets, sell a little peanut. Downtown I sell a little watch. Zine. My mother did that owner selling until them said them get bad money, you know, and our business just smashed down. So my mother used to fly out, you see me? Go on a curious on them places and shop and come back and sell. But people mash her up, you see me? The viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen, my lioness. The man Shabba say, yo, he nearly give up. Because people are fighting him and want him to get a breakthrough in the business so he can help his mother. And I really think I know your face. The man say, if you go to America and I get visa, them fight him out, you see me? Say them bring him. Me did for Zimbabwe in 2018, you know, my song Who Feels It Knows. And the song they did for bust me, you know, but them sabotage it. Them say them not let me through because them not get nothing out of me. Me can't just come with a big song so I'm go through the gate, you see me? And that's what I was told by one of the syndicate there. Zine, I'm not say Jano Star. But me did for Zimbabwe. Zine, and the next big artist intervene and say, yo, me now I couldn't look proud. Zine and the brother the king over there, his son, you see me? One of the top man over there, his son did one come and say, that's why I love the song. A baby people used to link me all over the world, man. I said, thank you for this song I married. We never know them. You see me? The man said, yo, you want to give up and say badness and them things there. I'm talking all them things that we can relate. You see me? And somebody changed my life and said, yo, I see you last night and that changed my life. I'm going to look back on badness and go again. You see me? My mother always tell me for show respect and love. You see me? I say manners. And I got my pass on to my youth them. When I see big people attack, I say excuse her. When I see 2 people attack, you don't walk in at the middle, you walk outside her, I say excuse her. You see me? Good man and all of them things. Yo, big up Shabba Ranks. You know, different level of respect for your brother. The way you talk about your mother so dearly, trust me, I love yo. And I take a bullet for my mother. Yeah, man. I'm still there trying to fight the struggle to make life better for you. You know? My mother still in the ghetto. You see me? I say, that's why I'm still keep it real. You see me? I'm not going to run and pretend. You see me? I say, every day I ain't going but we still fight the struggle. You see me? We know one day, things ever better. My viewers and subscribers, I know what you think about Shabba Ranks speech still. You see me? I just want to say big up Shabba Ranks again. RIP to your mother and RIP to all of my fans. All the love. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. You see me? I say, yeah man, and check out my new single, I'm a Change Man. And look out for the next one I come produce. I'm mad. I'm out.
More blessing, international jerky, you know, enough blessing and love, you know. The best jerk chicken, 3 trophy award, you know. Steamed fish, lobster, prawn, anything, you know, Sheffington, you know. What do I call me? Sheffington, I call me Sheffington. What me do? Sheffington, I call me Sheffington. What me do? Cook food for white man and Syrian. Cook food for Indian and Mexican. Anyway, me going to call me number 1 car. Number 1 a million, number 1. No more, you know. Lion Foot, you know, TV, you know. Big up, you know. The best, you know, in town, you know. Check it out, you know. Jerky said that. International. One love.